What's going on? What's going on, man? I want to talk to you about cash travel. I mean, not cash travel, cash pirate. I repeat, cash pirate, not cash travel. Cash pirate, one of them one of them older apps that came out. You know, when PayPal was first booming, when it came to free PayPal cash with a lot of apps. I don't know if this app really still around, but for some reason, when I look in the back office, hold on, let me show you what I'm talking about. When it goes to look for Cashpirate, you can't find Cashpirate anywhere. So I'm guessing, since I haven't deleted Cashpirate, I'm guessing Cashpirate is still around for those like myself. So somehow, you able to get in Cashpirate, let me know. If you can't, let me know. Because the Cashpirate that we know that I'm in right now, that a lot of people probably can't get in, it was already established. So this how it looked. But I don't see anywhere to like download. So I'm gonna just try and just show y'all and see if y'all can join. But if y'all ain't joining, it's just for entertainment, showing y'all that, you know, a person like me still in it, and excuse me, you know, I don't think I'm leaving anytime soon unless they take me out the app. Other than that, I keep using it and see if people can join. But since I don't see it to download, we can just try always. So mainly what I do is I just download apps, man. I don't worry about none of this other stuff. I just show you what I do. That's if you guys can get in. And I go to stuff like that where you can install and run, boom. And that's how I get my money. Let me show you how long I've been, you know, using this app. Been using this app for a while. So this is what you need: 250, 200, 250, 2,500, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000. Now you want to see what I did personally, huh? That's what I did personally, guys. Showing you the history of how many times I've been paid. I haven't got paid this year, but I got paid once last year. Alright. So just showing y'all, see if y'all can get in. If y'all can't, y'all can't. But I'm gonna show y'all something soon. It's your boy Mr. MMO, Mr. MC. Just wanted to let y'all know Cashpirate, man. I'm gonna have the link below the description, man. Down there somewhere, man. Let's get it. Cashpirate, man. Come get some of this Cashpirate if you can. If you can't, I got something else for you. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, man. Get in tune with me, man. Alright. Let's get it.